Besides your mouth, your hands have more bacteria than any other part of your body. So the things that we touch every single day transfer bacteria and germs in a flash. There are 5 things that you should disinfect once a week. Number 5 on the list are doorknobs and light switches. Think about the number of people who touch those on a daily basis. A quick wipe with a damp alcohol cloth will get rid of those nasty germs in a flash. Number 4, toothbrushes and the toothbrush holder. To disinfect your toothbrushes, put enough vinegar in a glass to cover the bristles and allow them to soak for a couple of hours. Vinegar kills most bacteria and germs. Rinse under hot water, then place them upright in the holder to air dry. To disinfect the toothbrush holder, use a damp alcohol cloth to wipe down the outside. Then fill it with any antibacterial mouthwash. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse with hot water. Number 3, your TV remote control. It is constantly being exposed to germs from many, many hands. A simple wipe with a damp alcohol cloth or disinfecting wipe will zap those germs away. Number 2 is your computer keyboard. It harbors many bacteria, especially if other people are using the keyboard. Use any disinfecting wipe to clean the keys and don't forget the mouse. And the number 1 germ-infested item in your home is your cell phone. Simply wipe the entire phone with any antibacterial wipe. Pay close attention to the mouthpiece and the buttons. If you have any questions for me, send me an email, drrachel@wgno.com.